Hi friends, I have something important for you. If you're having any Python kind of error in your code or bug issues or any kind of error in your Python code, I'll help you fix it through fiverr.com. My link is at the description below. So it is just for $5 and it's under 24 hours. I'll perfectly and quickly fix the error you have in your script, any kind of error you have your script that you know that is so difficult for you to fix. So let's get started right away. Hi friends, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to screenshot with Python for just 6 line of Python code. So let me show you now. Once I run this program and I run it, it's already the program has already screenshotted the screen for me. So let me check the screenshot folder right over here. If I check it now, you see now it exactly screenshots the my screen. So that's what we are going to be working on today. So let's get started. Hi friends, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and please do not forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below. So let's get started. So before we get started, three things are required from you, and we need three things are required from you. We need to pip install three libraries, and to do that, the first thing we are going to pip install, we are going to write pip um, install numpy. We wait for it to pip install, but we already have it too, so we don't need to install that one too. And the second thing you need to pip install, you need to pip install, then open cv, then Python. And the third thing you need to install is to pip install py auto GUI. So but we've already installed it, we don't need to do that. So now let's move on to the next step. Now right now what we are going to do now, we are going to now import all of those stuffs. Then import numpy as np, then import cv2, then import pyauto GUI. So that's our importing part. So now for our screenshotting part, to screenshot our program, to screenshot our screen when we run the program, what we are going to do is that we are going to create a variable called screenshot, and under this variable we are going to say pyauto dot screenshot. That's the function to screenshot our program. So right over here, after screenshotting, then we'll come again and write screenshot is going to be. After that, we are going to make sure that we give it certain color. We give it color. We give our screenshot, not our screenshot, a color. For us to do that, we are going to write cv2 dot cvt color, then np dot, we are going to write array, then under this array we are going to put on our screenshot variable, then another argument again, then cv2 dot color, this capital letter color underscore RGB2, this one here, the first one you see. So now in our next step now, we are going to make sure we write our screenshotting file to a certain directory, our screenshot variable to our screenshot image to a directory. So we are going to write cv2 dot inwrite im write. Then we are just going to write it in our we are going to write it in our, for this tutorial we can put the directory in somewhere else, either on our system or on our desktop, but for this tutorial we are going to put it inside this our tutorial project. We are going to put the directory in the tutorial project. Write screenshot dot png, then I'll write my comma, then screenshot. So now let's run the program and see for ourselves now. Once we run the program now, we are waiting now. It has already taken screenshots. Let me do it like this now and run the program now. I guess now it has taken the screenshot. So let me search for screenshot right over here. And once I click on screenshot, look now, I can look right over here. It screenshots some part of the screen and below my screen, somewhere around here. So that's how to screenshot with Python by just using 6 lines of code. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Hi friends, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and please do not forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.